Hey everyone, Alex here from Remax. I want to show you around my newest home for sale at 41 Humphrey Way in Kanata. Now this home's in Katimavik, and if you know anything about Katimavik, you know that this is a great family neighborhood. It's right close to all the schools you would need, shopping, parks, recreation centers, and restaurants. Let's go in and check it out. The home itself is a perfect family home with 4 bedrooms, a cozy eat-in kitchen, lots of living space, and on a safe street. This home is going to go fast, so don't wait. For more information, or if you're looking for a wicked home, call Wickham.